Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar along with Bailey Lipschultz. Let's take a look at some individual stocks on the move on this Monday. With us is Bloomberg News equities reporter Alexandra Semenova. Alex, we're going to go to the name that everybody seems to be talking about.
Yeah, well, Broadcom, guys, as you mentioned, that sell-off that we got on Friday, basically old news today, and artificial intelligence enthusiasm is back in full force. Broadcom is up about 10% right now. This is after OpenAI agreed to buy the company's custom chips and networking equipment in a multi-year deal. This is part of a bigger plan by the startup to add AI infrastructure. OpenAI will design the hardware and work with Broadcom to develop this gear. And one of the goals by OpenAI is that it'll take what it's learned so far about AI and develop it very directly. They said that we want to take it directly to the hardware, unlocking new levels of compatibility and intelligence. The hardware rollout should be completed by the end of 2029. But the interesting part here, of course, is that there's no clear details on how OpenAI will be paying for this, which has been a theme very clearly.
Heard this before.
Yeah, fun stuff there, though, Alex. What's going on with Keurig Dr Pepper, another stock in the green?
Yeah, we just got some news earlier, a report from the Financial Times that Starboard Value had to build a stake in the beverage company. Apparently, they had started building their stake right around when Keurig announced it would buy JDE Peet, the Dutch company that owns Peet's Coffee. The deal has been really unpopular among investors. Shares of Keurig Dr Pepper had fallen about 26% since that deal was announced in August. So it looks like Starboard is trying to kind of restore investor confidence here without making too much of a fuss about it.
All right, ticker's KDP. Just real quickly, JPM on the move. I love this story. Just got about 15, 20 seconds.
Shelling out $1.5 trillion into industries that bolster U.S. economic security and resiliency. And a really interesting comment from Jamie Dimon here. He says that we can't rely on other countries for our own national securities, and we need to act now.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.